Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to draw one of the greatest football player of all time, Lionel Messi. Let us start with one of Messi's most recognizable facial features, his mouth. If you carefully observe photos of Messi, you will notice that the area from his mouth to his nose has a unique shape. This is one of the key features that makes his face instantly recognizable. Now let's move up to the nose. Keep the nose natural and well balanced with the face. Notice how it connects smoothly with the upper lip. The side profile of Messi clearly shows this unique structure. So imagine those natural curves even while drawing the front view. Next, let's draw the eyes. Messi's eyes are not very large or dramatic. They have a calm and focused expression. Try to keep them relaxed and symmetrical. The eyebrows are quite narrow, so avoiding making them too thick. Draw them with light strokes and follow their natural shape. Another small but important detail is the eyelashes. Messi does not have the prominent eyelashes, so use only a few light lines. Sometimes less details create a more realistic portrait. Remember, portraits are all about observing the little things. Now let's work on the face shape. Messi has a strong V-shaped jawline with well-defined chin. This gives his face a balanced and athletic appearance. Draw the jawline with confident but soft lines. Don't make it too sharp or too round. A well-proportioned jaw and chin will make your portrait look much more realistic. Let's move on to the hair. Messi's hairstyle is usually simple and straight. Start by sketching overall shape first before adding individual strands. Instead of drawing every single hair, think of the hair as groups or sections. Once the main shape looks right, add a few texture lines to create a natural look. One of my favorite features to draw is Messi's ears. Many people overlook the ears, but they play a very important role in portraits. Messi's ears are slightly larger and have a very distinctive shape. Observe the outer curve and the inner folds carefully. Spend a little extra time here because these details help capture his likeness. Even though ears may seem difficult at first, with practice they become much easier to draw. Let's move on to the hair. Messi's hairstyle is usually simple and straight. Start by sketching the overall shape first before adding individual strands. Instead of drawing every single hair, think of hair as groups or sections. Once the main shape looks right, add a few texture lines to create a natural look. At this stage, your pencil sketch should be complete. Before moving to the next step, take a moment to compare both sides of face. Check if the eyes are level, the nose is centered, and the mouth is aligned correctly. Making small corrections now will improve the final drawing. Now it's time for the exciting part, inking the drawing. Take your bold black marker and slowly trace over your lines. Work carefully and don't rush. Use smooth, confident strokes instead of short, shaky lines. The bold outlines will make your portrait stand out beautifully. As you trace the drawing, vary the line's thickness slightly. Thicker lines can be used around the outer edges of the face and hair, while thinner lines work well for facial details. Congratulations, you have now completed an easy drawing of Lionel Messi. Every drawing teaches something new, so don't worry if it is not perfect the first time. The more you practice, the better your portraits will become. Remember, even professional artists start as beginners. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and fellow football fans who also enjoy drawing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming drawing tutorials.